Champions have reopened. One of the big bars up here. We'll have to have a trip down one of the nights and see if that's actually true. Advertising, I've got stuff on. I don't know whether it's just the internet playing us up or I'll walk down one night and have a look. Again, it seems to be refurbishing down here again. Going to be brilliant next year. There's Champions there. It's the end of the day now, so it's all closed up now. I know they have been open since lockdown, and they shut. I think they're trying to reopen now. We'll come down and have a look one of the nights. Okay, we're looking for the Orange Hotel, which is just over the road there. Another service group hotel. This is one of the hotels that don't let mobility scooters in. So you're thinking of booking and you need a mobility scooter, I think you have to park them outside. And as far as I know, there's no charging for them. So just be aware of that. There are 2 blocks. Can't actually get to the pool on this one. I might have a look on the internet, see if there's any pictures of it. I think they look better if you've got a picture of the pool. Just cross the road now and go and get the front of it. Unfortunately, this hotel hasn't been open since lockdown. A lot of these hotels have opened since lockdown. Very wobbling about a bit there. That's what the side looks like. There's a reception. I'm sure they'll be welcoming you back as soon as this virus is out of the way. Get the staff sorted out and they'll be welcoming you back, I'm sure. Going for a rock type theme on the garden. I can't quite see the pool from here. Plenty of garden there, so you got the privacy. If you're in the pool, sunbathing. Or you can just get in there, just about see the pool there. Okay, I'm going to have a look on the internet, see if I can get a better picture, obviously. Okay, that's the orange for you. Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Still doing a few hotels. Big spa hotel here. How many rooms are on that? There we go. Quite a long hotel. The Sandos group, I think it's a group of hotels. Looks really nice from the front. I'll show you the front in a minute when we get there. Very nice spa hotel. I don't know if this is the one we're actually after. Go on, what's it called, sir?
Sandos, Monaco.
Sandos, Monaco.
Right there on the wall.
Oh, yeah. See it there now.
It's also a spa and wellness centre.
I mean, they get more sun than anybody else. Looks a fantastic building. I should imagine it's been fairly newly renovated. Probably not this year, but certainly in the last few years. Don't suppose we wouldn't be able to get in on any of the pools or anything. The reception there. Can I have a look round the side, see if we can get any views of anything? No, not really. If anybody's interested, there's a number. Hope you can see that. They do gift cards and stuff. You want a friend to come? Okay, I think I'm trying to film this a bit close. There's a lot to see though. Should imagine because it's a spa.